Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD03. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD03 isn't picking up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a blockage in the hose or a worn-out cable that fails to deliver power effectively. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage to the vacuum, making it less effective at cleaning and ultimately costing more to fix in the long run. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement cable, and a pair of safety gloves. Start by making sure your Dyson HD03 is unplugged, ensuring your safety while working on it. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. As you do this, be cautious not to strip the screws or apply too much force. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to expose the internal components. You should now be able to see the cable connection. This is often the culprit when the vacuum fails to function properly. Carefully trace the cable to find any signs of wear or damage. If you spot any frays or breaks, it's time to replace the cable. Disconnect the old cable by unscrewing the terminals with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this process to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the old cable is out, take your new replacement cable and connect it in the same manner, ensuring the terminals are securely fastened. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the cable, gently replace the casing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted and there are no loose parts. Finally, plug your Dyson back in and test it to ensure it's picking up properly again. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check for blockages in the hose and clean the filters as needed. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum on excessively dirty surfaces without regular maintenance, as this can cause undue strain on the machine. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.